Over 70% of all data breaches trace back to simple human error. Because Microsoft Teams is designed to prioritize speed and ease of use, most organizations never adjust their default settings, a combination of factors that leaves 90% of accounts dangerously exposed to cyber threats. We've gotten completely comfortable with remote work. You fire up your laptop, send a few messages, share a deck, and assume your daily frictionless collaboration is inherently safe. It's easy to assume that because a massive tech giant built the platform, their institutional infrastructure automatically extends to your personal workspace. But Microsoft deliberately engineered Teams to remove friction from your communication. The catch is that friction, extra steps, permissions, verifications, is exactly what generates security. We crave those seamless, out-of-the-box defaults that let us instantly connect. Hackers count on those exact same defaults remaining active, knowing they provide an unobstructed path into your system. Relying entirely on platform convenience, instead of actively managing your own settings, is exactly how the vast majority of organizations accidentally leave their digital doors wide open. Let's run a security audit on your daily habits, starting at the absolute beginning, the login screen on your phone or desktop. The first major point of failure is surprisingly basic. A vast number of accounts operate without two-factor authentication, or 2FA, enabled. Without that second layer of defense, a single compromised password or successful brute force attack grants an intruder total control of the entire system. Once you're inside, you often need to collaborate with external clients or freelancers. That requires the guest access feature. Universally open guest access acts as an unmonitored backdoor. When anyone can be invited into the environment without restrictions, external actors can easily wander directly into your corporate network. The immediate fix is to go into your admin settings and reconfigure guest access privileges, strictly limiting them only to individuals who absolutely require entry. The features designed specifically to welcome your collaborators in are the primary vectors for unauthorized infiltration if you don't aggressively manage them. Authentication and access get people into the building. The next logical stage is what happens when those people start sharing data and files across the platform. This diagram illustrates a standard Teams file share, the megaphone oversight. Generating a default link creates an open URL accessible to absolutely anyone online. You can lock this down by selecting Share with Specific People, forcing identity verification and keeping data contained. The fourth and most critical internal vulnerability is what happens over time, the open office problem of accumulated, unaudited channel permissions. Imagine a highly sensitive channel created for senior management. If permissions aren't properly maintained as people join and leave the organization, that channel can accidentally become visible to the entire company roster. The solution here is a routine administrative audit of who has access to what. It proves that many severe leaks happen without external hackers. They stem from poor internal hygiene. Internal data breaches rarely look like sophisticated high-tech heists. They are overwhelmingly the inevitable result of organizational clutter and neglected permissions. The core takeaway from this audit is clear. Security cannot be a product you passively outsource to Microsoft's back-end infrastructure. True enterprise security requires continuous active practice. It means managing human behavior and keeping a close eye on your daily software settings. Escaping the exposed 90% doesn't require a degree in computer science or complex coding. You just need to actively manage the 4 specific touchpoints we audited: two-factor authentication, guest access, file sharing links, and channel permissions. Proactive management is the only proven way to prevent phishing, block ransomware, and stop catastrophic leaks, all without sacrificing the platform's actual convenience. Go check your team settings right now and run your own audit. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tech security content, and share your own team security hacks in the comments below. Ultimately, an informed, proactive user creates a defense more impenetrable than any firewall software.